guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle. In this video I want to show you some tips on painting the decorations, and why you might not need to go all out. Here are two minis that both have the same bit, a small skull decoration. I really like adding little bits to my minis to help tell their story, but it can pose a slight challenge when it comes time to paint. So to paint this bit properly, I have to get my colors ready. I started by putting black and white on my palette, and then a dark brown, an earth brown, and finally my gold. I base coated the model with a dark brown, 2 thin coats to get proper coverage, then a wash with some black paint to get my darkest areas dark. Now I want the details to be gold, so I mixed my gold paint into my brown paint to give them that metallic sheen. I started with my gold brown, painting this over most of the model, only leaving the original black and dark brown in the deepest recesses. Then I moved on to the earth browns, using this on the raised areas and around the forehead, leaving the center dark. Then I highlighted using my earth brown, white, and gold mixture to increase the brightness and get my contrast up. And then I mixed gold with pure white paint and dotted this here and there on the mini. With pure black and white both represented on the decoration, that high contrast is really what's gonna make it pop. And then I brought back the original dark brown just a little bit to add shade to the forehead and around the mouth to re-darken these areas a little. And there is the decoration painted perfectly. But is this truly the right way to do it? This one tiny little detail took about 5 minutes and 5 different colors. Could there possibly be a better way? One better way could be subscribing to our Patreon. Over there we have a bunch of high quality grimdark terrain STLs. Hop over there to check them out. It is the best way to help support us making videos, and you also get access to hobby hangouts, exclusive weekly videos, behind the scenes, and other exclusive content. We also have merch. Check out our t-shirts and sweatshirts in the description below. On the second decoration, I took a big brush and wiped on some gold. Then I gave it a wash with Agrax Earthshade to give me my contrast. Then I finished it off with one more drop of gold on the head to give the decoration a focal point. This decoration took about 5 seconds, and honestly, it doesn't even matter. Once all the other stuff is on these models, no one will ever look that hard at the tiny little gold keychain at their waists. Perhaps for a hero or HQ unit, it's worth it to break out all the time in colors, but on a rank and file fella, who cares? Just get it done.